Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can optimize your Shopify store speed. So, the first thing you want to pay attention is your themes. Shopify usually recommends Dawn for your theme because it's fast, it's optimized, and it's minimalist. Some other themes like Spotlight, Refresh, and Sense and Graph, it can slow down your website a little bit, but it's 11/12. It doesn't really make that much of a difference, but if you're looking for the most optimized speed, then Dawn is the way to go. The other most important part to speeding up your Shopify store is your apps. How do you check your apps? On your Shopify admin dashboard here, go to settings with the gear icon down here, and then find your apps here, apps and sales channels. If you have any unnecessary apps, like apps you don't use anymore or apps that's obsolete, you can delete those so it can speed up loading times. But don't delete point of sale or online store because this is what make your online store and your product actually viable. So for example, here I have Judge Me Reviews and Facebook and Instagram. I don't use them anymore, so I'm just going to delete them. I'm going to delete this, uninstall, and then another one. Just click on the three dots here and then uninstall again. I understand, uninstall. By using those two methods I just talked about and installing unnecessary apps and using an optimized theme, you should see improvements on your Shopify shop speed.